Carpetgrass is a low-maintenance, warm-season perennial grass. Some property owners use carpetgrass as their turf of choice, but like other plants, it can spread outside of its intended range to establish itself as a weed on other properties. As a weed, this grass will create unattractive clumps that look similar to crabgrass. In this video, we'll go over how to identify carpetgrass, how to get rid of it, and how to prevent it from growing back on your property. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Carpetgrass is pale green or yellow-green in color. When temperatures cool for fall or winter, it's noticeably one of the first grasses to brown. The grass blades are wide with crimped edges, and their tips are more rounded. When a solitary carpetgrass plant emerges, you can see its crabgrass-like appearance. The flat stolons or runners are a reddish color, and the leaves grow in an alternating arrangement. When carpetgrass matures, it grows tall stems up to 25 millimeters in height with a few spikes of seed heads. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Carpetgrass is a warm-season perennial and is a problem mostly in the southern United States. It grows in a wide range of soil types, but it prefers high-moisture areas that see full sunlight. It can also tolerate areas with partial shade. Common sites where this weed occurs include but are not limited to warm-season lawns, roadsides, airports, parks, and golf course roughs. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate carpetgrass on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's desired turf. Since carpetgrass is a problem seen on warm-season lawns, we recommend you use Celsius WG Herbicide. This product offers broad-spectrum control of broadleaf and grassy weeds on many types of warm-season grasses. To treat carpetgrass, mix the labeled rate of 0.085 ounces or 2.4 grams of the product with 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you mix and apply your solution with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Spot treat any carpetgrass you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Celsius WG range from 2 to 4 weeks after the initial treatment. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Do not use this product over bahia grass or cool season turf. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent unwanted grasses from growing on your turf, we recommend you promote the health of your desired turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and other unwanted grasses and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop carpetgrass from establishing, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.